2, 3, 4, get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9, gonna shine, life is good. I'm doing fine. 10, gonna do it right and do it again, yeah. I look into the sky with all its beautiful color, but there's more than just for me, so gonna share it with another. I got to show, to give, let out. I want to sing and shout. Take a look and see a beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if
You guys, this is not even, I mean, it's kind of funny, but it's not funny. Because,
Fair warning.
yes, it is a little TMI. For those of you who are light of stomach, don't listen to me. But these two, this one and that one, right there, have the same poop cycle. Literally, like Derek was like, oh, I gotta go to the bathroom. And this one was like...
Teamwork.
You guys. You peas in a pod, you two.
So Mom, why don't you get to work changing her and I'll just go over here to the bathroom and talk to you later.
That's not happening. So guys, let's go see what Derek's doing. Amelia, maybe. Ah! How's it going?
How's it going? Almost done.
Looks pretty good. Are you happy with all of your stuff?
I think so. It looks pretty sharp.
What do you have left?
I'm gonna dry it all with that towel. I think the next thing is a good glass cleaner. Got the general soap, but I think maybe we need something specific for the glass. Dang it.
Well, I'm gonna go check on the baby.
Alright, how's she doing?
She was sleeping in the bedroom,
Nice.
but who knows how long that'll last.
Yeah. I
So,
figured it must be something like that because I hadn't seen you guys yet.
yeah. Well, it looks good so far, babe.
Thanks. Look at this cute little photo shoot we got going
Hey,
on.
girl.
Firecrackers.
What do you see? What do you see?
Amelia's like, you gotta do it like this. Grab your toes.
Hi, darling.
Hi. Oh,
Oh, it's so cute.
Get your feet down.
wanna
Yeah.
get
Get your feet down.
You're not gonna do it.
Down.
Did you get some? Yeah.
Says I'm not gonna put them
Hey,
down.
Nurse. Hey.
Gonna grab her face though.
hey, hey, hey.
Says I could eat you.
Olivia. Amelia. Amelia. Okay, yellow.
Got too much different going on, and
Hey,
Olivia's like,
Hey.
Now she's like staring at the TV now.
Hey.
Hey, yo.
over here.
why don't you
Diaper.
make a noise or with a toy?
Maybe. Get your foot off of there. What's that? Wow! Wow!
South, there's plenty there. Pineapple pizza out there too.
What?
I was saying, there's a whole one.
You eating dinner with everybody?
4 pieces of the other one.
Good stuff. Very good.
Thanks, Slice Bar.
Thanks, Slice Bar. Guys, it could be super dark right now. I apologize if it is. But, I don't know if we mentioned this earlier, but we're trying something a little different tonight. And we are spending the night at Jess's parents' house. So this is the first time that Amelia has stayed somewhere that's not our house. And we figured with like weddings and vacations coming up, that it would be a good practice. This would be a good chance over the holiday weekend to try and get her used to sleeping new places. And so So far, it's not going great. But we had her down for a little bit, then she got up and came out and played games with us. But now we're going to try and get her settled again. But thanks for watching today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. We'll be back with another one for you tomorrow. But until then, bye, guys. Say bye, guys.
Beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you wanna see, then come along with me, that's right. And if you want a good tomorrow, it's pretty simple, gotta find a light to follow. And if you do, you have a future real bright. And it's a combination of consistency, come on.